Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily install Zoho WorkDrive. So first, in your browser's search bar, type in install Zoho WorkDrive. Then click on the first link that pops up in your search results that is entitled Install WorkDrive Desktop App. So click on the link, and from here, you will be redirected to this page where you can also see a step-by-step process and guidelines on how you can easily install the app. And from here, you will also have an access to the download link. So just click on the link and you will be redirected to a page like this. Now here you can see the supported OS versions. You have one for Windows, for Mac, and even for Linux OS. So just click on the button on your computer's model. Make sure that you tick the box that you agree to the agreements and policies. Then click on the download button. The exe file will then be downloaded. So just click on it and the downloading or installation is now started. All you have to do is wait until the installation is done and follow all the on-screen prompts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!